How to add or remove GPS location tags to your picture on the Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, open up the camera app. Now in here, we then tap on the more button, then tap on settings. In camera settings, we scroll down and then tap on location tags. Tap on the toggle button, then tap on while using the app or only this time. Okay, so now it is on. When it is on, it can add text to your pictures and videos. So if I go back here, if I take a picture, then in the picture, if you go to details, it will show you the location of the picture is being taken at. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.